So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight.
Naimbag nga rabii yung gagayam ken tropsat, siyak manen ni Krisha iti ayat ti kailokwan. Ket ita nga rabii, inta ipadanon deti sorpresa ni Sir Ryan para itigayem na nga ni Ma'am Raquel. May kayon! Inta yon! Ni Krisha iti ayat ti kailokwan.
Happy Valentine's. February 14, 2020. Dear Todd, Happy Valentine's Day. I just wanna say thank you for everything, especially for the unconditional love. I remember before, I don't even have the idea planning my future with someone else. But then you came by. So eto na nga, a lot of things changed. Like what we're doing right now. Planning for our future and everything. Wala lang, I was just so happy. I'm the luckiest man for having you as my person today. I love you always till the rest of forever. Loving you always, Ryan. I can't wait.
So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. You look so beautiful in white. Yeah, yeah.
Itintingad kay surpresan Sir Ryan kay ni Ma'am Raquel ket permit ti ragragsak na. Tati amuna taga sana all lang isuna katangan. Himada iti paay ni Sir Ryan para kanya. Intun maminsan manin kailokwan, kuyugen dakam tumanin. Basta ayat ti kailokwan, serbisyo na kit mapagtalkan.